ngisho ne-microphone isebenza kahle ke namhlanje.
Awumarenba ke nishayela izandla bakithi.
Rainbows, can you clap hands for yourselves? Hallelujah.
Sifuna ukuqhubeka nje sini encourage.
We want to continue to encourage you.
Ikakhulu laba abanikela ngeinkomo.
So much the people who give with cows.
Ukuthi la iRainbow sitholane nenyama angizwana makhabishi.
That in Rainbow.
Lento nje kaKhayina wezana makhabishi kanti uAbela weza nenyama.
Came with cabbages.
Hayi ake nishayela abantu abanikelile kule conference izandla.
Clap hands for those who gave in this conference. Hallelujah.
Dobonwa ibobebe majuda esikhathilenga ishimthi awudiyabonwa hayi ngamajuda esikhathilenga emthi awudiyabonwa ayibona yenzani ay umuntu akabuyele kwaNdebele akuna beat awutshelo saduzwe ukuthi ungena umkhosi lalela mtshele noma phethwe istress sokuthi usingile
Stress because they are singing.
uthi umuntu osingile ungena umkhosi
Singing person, the pastor has wanted.
dati bipi ule ngemthi awuthi yabonwa awukosi esikhathi lenga bathi naye emthini uyabo
There were people who wanted to be police.
wagoloza uSathane
They refused.
ake sibafake nje khona manje sibabuyisele ngemashi ake sibabuyisele ngemashi ungahlula ngumfundisi ngomasha I was on my